I was gonna be one of those people who like make different YouTube channels for different stuff, like to speak on, blah 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 blah. But nah, I'm just gonna keep doing how I'm gonna keep pushing how I've been pushing. I really don't, man. It is what it is. But this video right here, this is about ChatGPT, y'all, man. I need the world to know more about this. I know it's already busting, it's buzzing, it's going crazy. But I need more people to know about this and more aspects of what you can do about it. All right, so first this gonna be a how to start off with ChatGPT. This just for we beginners, we learning together. I'm learning it. I got it and shit and stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna go about it like we just started. I just got it the other day, so we're gonna go about it like this. First, you go to OpenAI's website. Those the people that made it. OpenAI. Shout out to Ben. I forget his name. The dude's full name who made it. But yeah, shout out to him though, because this is hard. This is like the future. You go to the menu and you go get it like Microsoft. Same way you like get Microsoft Word, same way you get the ChatGPT. Enter in your info, boom, you gotta download it. So first thing you gonna see is a little screen. I'm gonna put it right there somewhere on the screen. Y'all gonna see it somewhere. You're going to see the little chat screen where you can literally start the conversation. You can start asking it anything that you want to ask it. It got statistics on lock. You can get the numbers for anything and get the results for those numbers like immediately. Me, I'm a little bit on the man, I'm not an activist, y'all. I'm not an activist. I'm just I'm a nigga, y'all. I come from where I come from, you feel me? And it is what it is. So I feel how I feel. And first thing I started looking up was statistics on life expectancy and poverty rates for the black community in America versus other communities. And that led me into looking up the statistics for how much money is invested into black American founders in America. As of 2022, the amount is less than 1% goes to black founders. That shit blew my mind, y'all. And it's just random stuff you can look up that's now at the touch of our fingers. Reason I'm bringing this stuff up because I feel that the ChatGPT will be able to bring so many different ideas that are just floating around that some people don't know is fact, don't know is conspiracy. All that stuff that's conspiracy talk, that's out the window now. Now we got a system that will bring the facts straight to anybody. You feel me? You ain't got to Google it and compare it. It's going to do all that for you and bring it right to you, and then you can fact compare with reality and see what's going on. You feel me? Another thing that you're able to do with it is it asks philosophical questions. You can ask ChatGPT philosophical questions and don't have to worry about a bias of negative or a positive bias. It's just going to give you the straight out what it is about this philosophical idea. One idea that I had asked it was, what's the difference between God's will and free will? Is free will God's will? And that's just an example of one of the things that you can ask this device. Other thing you can do with it, you can program on it. If you ain't never programmed a day in your life, man, it gives you the plugins available to be able to program. And I ain't talking about basic graphic design, which you can do, graphic design, video edit. You can do all of that in ChatGPT, but you can also do interactive gaming programming within ChatGPT. All you gotta do is know the prompts to ask it, so get that ready for you. Songs, poems, dissertations. Yeah, I'm gonna make more videos in the future. I'm trying to keep this one short just to see, just to do it, you know. Shout out ChatGPT. Thank y'all for watching me. Like, comment, subscribe. PopeBilly.com.